जय जगन्नाथ टू माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन टैरो कंसल्टेंट करिश्मा का चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं विंबलडन 2026 के मैच प्रेडिक्शंस फॉर 5th of July 2026. So all the matches are going to be played on 5th of July 2026 will be covered in this match, which will include men's singles, women's singles, men's doubles, women's doubles and mixed doubles. So men's singles के round of 16 के मैचेस खेले जाएंगे। 4 मैचेस होंगे आज के दिन। तो चलिए फटाफट से देखते हैं कि हु इज विनिंग विच मैच। तो ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करेंगे, आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज एंड प्रेडिक्शंस एंड डू लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन दी वीडियो। सो मेंस सिंगल्स का पहला मैच आर सैफलिन वर्सेस एन जोकोविक के बीच में खेला जाएगा at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and the winner of this match is going to be N Djokovic. Next match will be played at 6:10 p.m. Indian Standard Time between H Hurkacz versus JL Struff, and the match winner for this match is going to be H Hurkacz. Next match for men's single will be played at 6:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time. All are round of 16 वाले matches. F Agar Aliassim versus A Davidovich, and the winner is A Davidovich. And the last match for men's singles will be played at 8:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time between J Sinner versus S Mochizuki, and the winner is S Mochizuki. So that is all for men's single matches for 5th of July. Now it's time to see for women's single matches, and there are 4 matches for women's single as well to be played on 5th of July. The first match will be played at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time between K Muchova versus B Krezikova, and the winner for this match is going to be K Muchova. And the next match for women's single will be played at 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time between J Pegula versus I Zovic, and the winner is I Zovic. Next match will be played at 7:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time between A Sabalenka versus N Osaka, and the winner is N Osaka. And the last match for women's single will be played at 8:20 p.m. Indian Standard Time between B Bencic versus C Goff, and the winner for this match is going to be B Bencic. So that is all for women's single matches. And now we will see for men's double. Men's double के भी I think 4 ही मैच खेले जाने वाले हैं, 4 मैच for men's double as well. So the first match again यहाँ पे भी round of 16 ही चल रहा है. First match for men's double, H Zabins and R Ho versus M Gainard and G Andrezzi. The match will be played at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and the winner is H Zabin and R Ho. Next match for men's double will be played at 3:30 p.m. once again between T Putz and K Krawitz versus F Cabral and L Midler, and the winner is F Cabral and L Midler. Third match for men's double will be played at 3:30 p.m. once again. So this match is going to be played between H Patton and H Heliovara versus A Pavelcek and P Ricky, and the winner is A Pavelcek and P Ricky. And the last match for men's double will be played at 8:10 p.m. Indian Standard Time between S Dombia and F Ribol versus S Gilly and S Verbeek, and the winner for this match is S. Dombia and F. Reball. So that is all for men's double. Now we'll see for women's double. वुमेंस डबल के सेकेंड राउंड के मैचेस खेले जाएंगे आज. वुमेंस डबल अभी राउंड ऑफ 16 में पहुंचने में आई थिंक थोड़ा टाइम है, बिकॉज ये लोग स्टार्ट भी बहुत लेट किए थे. सो द फर्स्ट मैच विल बी played at 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time between S. Shea and X. Wang versus E. Mertens and S. Zhang, and the winner is S. Shea and X. Wang. Next match will be played at 3:30 p.m. once again between S. Ioma and E. S. Liang versus K. Birrell and T. Gibson, and the winner is S. Ioma and team. Next match will be played at 4:40 p.m. Indian Standard Time between A. Siskova and K. Peter versus M. Kolozevo and J. Malekova, and the winner is A. Siskova and K. Peter. Next match will be played at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time between S. Sierra and C. Osorio versus D. Skuers and E. Perez, and the winner is D. Skuers and E. Perez. Next match will be played at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time between G. Olmos, I. Neil versus U. Ikari and Q. Gleason, and the winner is U. Ikari and Q. Gleason. Next match will be played at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time between Y. Starodub Seva and P. Stearns versus A. Muhammad and F. Stollers, and the winner is A. Muhammad and A. F. Stoller. And the last match for women's double will be played at 5:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time between N. Fosa Harger and T. Kodpats versus L. Noshkova and R. Shramkova, and the winner is L. Noshkova and R. Shramkova. So that is all for women's double matches. Now there are few matches for mixed doubles. I think 8 matches for mixed doubles. So let's cover that part as well. So the first match will be played at 6:10 p.m. Indian Standard Time between H. Watson, M. Willis versus C. Harrison and S. Zhang, and the winner is C. Harrison and S. Zhang. Next match, again 6:10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, will be played between T. Mihalikova, L. Glasspool versus E. Rogavasaline versus L. Sigmund, and the winner is T. Mihalikova and L. Glasspool. Next match 6:10 p.m. once again between A. Suzladi, G. Androzzi versus D. Danilina and J. Tracy, and the winner is A. Sudziadi and team. Next match will be played at 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time between A. Molteni and D. Zurak versus J. Ostapenko and M. Arivalo, and the winner of this match is A. Molteni and D. Zurak. Next match will be played at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time between S. Irani, A. Vavasori versus S. Hunter and M. Polmonas, and the winner is S. Hunter and M. Polmans. Next match will be played at 7:20 p.m. Indian Standard Time between G. Dabrowski and E. King versus M. Pavic and F. Stoller, and the winner is G. Dabrowski and E. King. Next match will be played at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time between J. Salisbury and L. Fernandez versus B. Jones and M. Lumsden, and the winner is B. Jones and M. Lumsden. And the last match for today will be played at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time between E. Perez, F. Cabral versus D. Krozik and N. Supski, and the winner is D. Krozik and N. Supski. So that is all for the Wimbledon 2026 match predictions for 5th of July 2026. Hopefully you like the video and do take care of yourself. बहुत जल्द मिलती हूँ मैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय जगन्नाथ.